Countdown to NEET MDS 2025 exam. Stay ahead with these insights. The journey to a professional dental career hinges on excelling in the NEET MDS 2025 exam. This competitive exam shapes the future of aspiring dental surgeons. With proper preparation, students can seize this opportunity to transform their dreams into reality. NEET MDS is a computer-based test with structured questions covering all major dental science subjects. Familiarize yourself with critical components like exam duration, question paper pattern, and marking scheme for strategic preparation. Confident planning begins with understanding the rules and layout. Check off the basic eligibility like a BDS degree from a verified institution, completion of a one-year dental internship, and registration with the Dental Council. Preparing the necessary documents well in advance can save you unnecessary stress. The syllabus may feel vast, covering subjects like oral pathology, prosthodontics, radiology, and orthodontics. To simplify it, prioritize high-yield topics and weak spots in your study timetable. Diversify your resources to include textbooks, interactive online materials, and practice question banks. Success in NEET MDS hinges on a smart, realistic study plan. Divide time equally among subjects, focusing on weak areas while revisiting strengths. Incorporate NEET MDS online coaching and tools to stay on track and up to date. Mock tests are not just practice. They simulate the actual exam environment. They help refine time management, boost confidence, and reveal preparation gaps. Post-test analysis is crucial for zeroing in on weaknesses while cementing strengths. Beware of preparation traps like inadequate practice, neglecting revisions, or overloading. These pitfalls can derail your hard work. Plan for breaks, manage study hours effectively, and adapt your schedule to the changing demands of preparation. Preparation is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay fit and focused with regular exercise, a balanced diet, and sufficient sleep. Distress with techniques like meditation or yoga, and seek support from loved ones when needed. Balanced well-being keeps burnout at bay and energy levels high. Learn from the success stories of past toppers who swear by disciplined practice, mock tests, and staying updated with exam trends. Their experiences offer invaluable lessons that can save you time and effort. The last month before the exam is critical. Focus on revisions, time tests, and simulated practice ever more intensively. Create concise revision notes and stick to them for brushing up on key formulas and topics. Success in NEET MDS 2025 is not just a test of knowledge, but a testament to resilience and vision. Stay dedicated, trust your preparation, and remember that you're closer to your dream with every focused step you take. Start today and achieve the extraordinary.